Hello children, good morning. Welcome to today's English class. Children, in the previous session we have learned the poem, yes, The Little Duckling. So in this poem, how to learn the duckling have wants to so many kinds of birds have so many wants. First of all, little duckling wants to peacock tail, and then eagle leg, and third one, little duckling see a cock, and little duckling see a cock have a handsome hat, and little duckling see third one, the eagle have a wings. So lost suddenly the little duckling can swim, and it can swim very well. I want a little duckling tail and little duckling's legs, wings, and I don't want ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಾರ ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ, ನಂದೇನಿದೆ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. Suddenly the little duckling can swim, and he can swim very well. Soon he is with his friends ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಯಿತು. Yes, here in this poem have to learn, and some new words also have to learn, children. Pleased, what is the meaning of pleased? Yes, happy. Heavy, not light. Having great weight. Handsome, good looking. Handsome means what? Good looking. And looked, sound made while drowning in water. Had, the cock's comb is a hat. Next, let us understand, answer these questions orally. Yes, here, yes. How to tell me, students. I will tell some questions. You have to answer them. Which bird has a beautiful tail? Which bird has a beautiful tail, children? Yes, very good. Peacock. Peacock. Yes. First question. Which bird has a beautiful tail? Peacock. Peacock has a beautiful tail. Second question, what kind of hat does the cock have? What kind of hat does the cock have? The cock have a big red handsome hat. The cock have big red handsome hat. Big red handsome hat. Okay. And third question, what qualities of others do you desire to have in yourself? Yes, we desire good and special qualities of others to have in ourselves. So, and the second main, write the answer to the following in your notebook. Yes, make a list of birds that the little duckling sees. Make a list of birds that the little duckling sees. How many types of birds the little duckling sees? Yes, first little duckling sees which bird? Yes, first one, peacock. First one, peacock. Second one, what? Yes, second one what, children? Yes, flamingo. Flamingo leg. Flamingo. And third one, that time little duckling see a eagle. An eagle. And fourth time little duckling see a cock. Yes. First question, see make a list of birds that the little duckling sees. How many types of birds little duckling sees? Yes, 4 types of birds. First one, peacock, flamingo, eagle, and cock. 4 types of birds see a little duckling in this poem. Next, which bird has long thin pink pink bird. Pink leg children? Yes, flamingo. 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 And long, thin, pink leg. Pink leg. Legs. Pink legs. Third question. Name the bird with big brown wings. Name the bird with big brown wings. Which bird, children? Yes, an eagle has big brown wings. An eagle has big brown wings. Eagle have a big brown wings. You can understand? Yes. Next, fourth question. Where do the little ducklings friends swim? Where do the little ducklings friends swim? The little duckling friends swim in the river. The little duckling friends swim in the river. The little duckling friends. The little duckling friends swim in the river. Okay. And last question. Describe the cocked hat. Describe the cocked hat. Yes. The cocked hat is a big, red and handsome. The cocked hat has big, red and handsome. Yes, your cocked hat ಯಾವ ತರ ಇತ್ತು? Okay, yes, the cocked hat has a big, red and handsome hat. Okay. Next, turn the page number 38. Match the words with the names of birds in B. First one, a beautiful tail. Big beautiful tail. Big beautiful tail. Second one, long thin pink legs. Long thin pink legs. And third one, big brown wings. Big brown wings. Big brown wings. Fourth one, big red handsome hat. Big red handsome hat. Yes. Next, in the B side, cock, C-O-C-K, cock, eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle, peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock, and flamingo, F-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Yes, how to match it? First one, big beautiful tail. Which birds have a big beautiful tail, children? Yes, peacock. Yes, you have to match it. Peacock. Okay. Second question, long thin pink legs. Which bird have a long thin pink leg, children? Yes, your flamingo. Very good. Big brown wings. Big brown wings. I like big brown wings. Which bird have a big brown wings, children? Yes, your eagle. Okay. And fourth, big red handsome hat. have to sing and enjoy, children. Cats and dogs are animals dear. Cocks and crows are birds so near. Cows and goats are useful here. Rats and mice are too small to fear. Yes, have to once again sing and enjoy. Next, let us draw a picture of peacock, flamingo, an eagle and cock. How to draw? Okay. How many birds you have to draw, children? 4 birds. First one peacock, flamingo, eagle and cock. Next, let us say loud. Some rhyming words is there. Tail, sail. Pink, sing. Brown, drown. Wing, sing. These are the 4 rhyming words. Okay. You have to write neatly. I will send the notes. You can write neatly, children. Okay. Once again, you have to read the poem. The little duckling sees a peacock. What a beautiful tail. I want a beautiful tail too. Suddenly the little duckling has a big beautiful peacock's tail. The little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling sees a flamingo. First time little duckling sees a peacock and the peacock tail. If you want to peacock tail. Duckling have a imagine. The little duckling is very pleased. And the second time the little duckling sees a flamingo. What a beautiful legs. I want beautiful legs too. Suddenly the little duckling has a long thin pink legs. The little duckling is very pleased. Second time see a flamingo legs. Again imagine the duckling and then ನನಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಖುಷಿಯನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೋತು. Which bird leg? Flamingo leg. Thin, long, thin, red, long, pink legs. Okay. And third time the little duckling sees an eagle. What a beautiful wings. I want beautiful wings too. Suddenly the little duckling has a big brown wings. The little duckling is very pleased. Yes, here in the third time, see here little duckling, which bird? Yes, an eagle. Eagle have a big brown wings. The little duckling is very pleased. Again, little duckling, imagine to the which bird? Eagle wings. Next, fourth time, the little duckling sees a cock. What a beautiful hat. I want a beautiful hat too. Suddenly, the little duckling has a big red handsome hat. The little duckling is very pleased. Again, imagine to the which word? Cock. Cock handsome hat. I want cock handsome hat. Again, imagine to cock hat, red handsome hat. Next, the little duckling friends swim in the river. Yes, so many little duckling friends swim in the river. Sees the duckling swimming the friends for the river. The little duckling says, "Stop, wait for me. Nanu bartini, wait ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತು. And he jumps into the river. Jump ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. But his peacock tail is very heavy. But the peacock tail ಏನು ಬಹಳ heavy ತೂಕ ಇತ್ತು. His big brown wings are very heavy. Eagle wings also very heavy. And his long thin leg cannot swim. Leg ಕೂಡ swim ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರ್ದು leg? Yes, flamingo leg also swimming not very, cannot swim in the river. His handsome red hat is very heavy and he can't breathe. Glug glug glug, I want the little duckling tail and little duckling's legs and wings. ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ, ನಂದೇನಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು. ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೇ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್, ನನಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಟು ಬೇಡ. ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. ಸೂನ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ಗಾಡ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ಪೋಯಮ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋಯಮ್ very beautiful poem. Okay, yes, Don't change your desire for seeing others think. You should be happy with what you want. Having whatever you have in satisfied. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. With that ever you have the best for you. And feel that you are the best. You always the best for all. Okay, I hope you understood. In this poem is very ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪೋಯಮ್. ಯಾವುದು ನಮಗೆ ದೇವರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬೇರೆಯವರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕಿಚ್ಚುಪಡೋದಾಗಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಪಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಪೋಯಮಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಥೀಮ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್? ಎಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್.